Welcome to Spitzer Buick GMC Findlay. And here's a look at another one of our great vehicles for sale. And comes equipped with OnStar and Chevrolet Connect Emergency Communication System, Preferred Equipment Group 2LT, Rear View Camera, Lane Change Alert with Side Blind Zone Alert, Chevrolet Infotainment 3 System, Rear Power Programmable Liftgate, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, black roof rails, heated driver and front passenger seat, integrated cargo liner, and has less than 20,000 miles on the odometer. Saving you more since 1904. The Spitzer family of dealerships is proud to provide our friends and neighbors with the best purchasing and owning experience in Ohio. We have a friendly staff and provide a fun atmosphere for our guests. And we offer the best value for the lowest price. So give us a call or stop by Spitzer Buick GMC Findlay today, where our world revolves around you.